Okay, so hi students. Let's look at the level two questions of percentage change. So before I tell you that, let me navigate you how to find this learning material inside the OneNote. So it's under chapter 7 percentage and under workbook exercise 7B page 5 to 8. So all the 7.2 percentage change learning the material will be found in this particular tab here. So let's begin. So previously we have mentioned about for this 7.2 on percentage change, you only be required to learn only one formula, which is percentage change equals to increase or decrease over original value times 100%. So in the previous video, level 1 video, we have go through the first three levels, level 1, 2, and 3. First thing, you need to identify that the original value is always 100%. And level 2, find the new percent after the percentage change. That means they tell you that, oh, increased by 45%. So you must be able to identify that the new percentage is 145%. At level 3, you need to be able to calculate the quantity of the new percentage. That means 100% is so and so. So now you need to find out what is 145%. What is the value of this 145%? So this is what I mean. So now the next level will be level 4. Are you able to calculate the percentage change given the increase or decrease in value? For example, let's look at question 4, 5, or 6. Let's move on to question 4. Let me try to keep the video short and sweet so that it will be easier for you to understand. So I'll go through question 4. After that, you will try question 5 and 6 yourself because they are the similar concepts. The steps are the same. So in this question here, highlight the keywords. They tell you that the original length of a spring is 8 cm. So this is the original length. So original value, right, they will always be equivalent to 100%. And now, they tell you that when the mass is attached to it, that means the string is being pulled now. The spring is being pulled now. And we will expect that the length of the spring will be lengthened. And they tell you that this lengthened length, this longer length will be 10.5. And they ask you to find out what is this percentage increase in the length of this spring. So this is the new value. And we are required to find out what is this increase in terms of a percentage of the original value. So first step, you need to find out. So step 1, find out what is the increase in the length, increase or decrease in the length. So in this case, this one is increase. So the increase in length will just be 10.5 minus 8 cm. Okay, let me write the unit at the back. So 10.5 minus 8 equals to 2.5 cm. So this is the increase in length. So once you have found the increase in length, you are able to find what is the percentage increase already. So percentage increase using the formula we have introduced at the start. It will be 2.5 over the original value, which is 10.5. No, the original value is 8 cm, not 10.5. Over 8 times 100%. Okay, so let me use the black color to tell you what does each number mean. This is the original value. This is the increase in length. That means how much length has it increased? So now just need to press into the calculator. And this gives you 31.25%. So this will be the percentage increase. So percentage increase will be 31.25%. So this is it. This is your final answer. So the same thing goes for question 5, same thing as well. This is the original price, which is the original value. It's 740. And during a sales, the price is decreased to 680. So this is the 100%, because it is the original value. And this is the new value, which is the new price. So you are asked to find out what is the percentage decrease. Same thing as well. First, you need to find out what is the percentage. You need to find what is the decrease in price, which is the decrease in value. So decrease in value. So you need to find out yourself. After that, apply the formula to find what is the percentage decrease. So this will be the decrease in value in the numerator over the original price times 100%. So I leave it to you to go and solve it. And for question 6, same thing as well. The only thing that might be tricky will be this formula given to you over here. So how many bacteria were introduced into the culture? So to find out what's this part 1, let me help you out. So n equals to 500 times 2t. So to find out what is the original value for the bacteria being introduced in the first place, that means that we need to take t as 0 hours. So n equals to 500 times 2, and t will be 0. So 2 to the power of 0 will be 1. So my n will be 500. So that means there are 500 bacteria being introduced in the first place. So once you have found the original value, you can go ahead and solve for part 2. So I leave it for you to go and try it out. Thank you. So remember to watch the next video for the next higher level of percentage change.